Hey guys, it's Monica and today's video, medyo quiet ako because I'm filming in public. But today, I'm going to South Korea. Ayan, dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay ko. Hindi ito biro. I'm going to meet the love of my life. Wow! Love of my life. But yeah, I'm going to meet my boyfriend in South Korea finally. And yeah, I'm so excited. I just made it past the immigration and security. So, nakapag-check-in ako ng mga luggages ko. Naghintay na lang ako ng flight kasi delayed yung flight ng hindi ko napapangalanan kung anong airlines. Pero, delayed yung flight ko ng 5 hours. So, luckily, nabasa ko yung email nila ng 6 AM. So, gumising ako may email. And, ayun. Buti na lang, we're just like less than an hour away from the airport. So, umalis kami doon around 12 or mag-1 na yun. Then, dumating kami dito around 1:30. And then, kumain muna kami sa Jollibee. Hindi ko na na-film tong mga to, guys, kasi sobrang busy and prioritize ko muna na lumampas sa immigration, sa security, lahat-lahat bago ako mag-vlog. Yun nga. So, okay na lahat and I'm just going to wait for my flight to arrive. Walang masyadong tao dito sa gate. So, sabi nila gate 7 ako. Ayan. Kanina kasi walang gate na binigay. So, nung nag-check-in ako, bakante yung gate na nakalagay. Pero gate 7 na daw yun. Ayun. Baka may flight pa before nung actual flight ko kasi anong oras na? 3 o'clock pa lang. 3 o'clock pa lang. Medyo mabigat yung hand carry. Yung hand carry na dala ko. And siya, I think around 4 kilos to. So, hindi muna ako magliligalig. Dito muna ako. And okay naman dito. Medyo mainit lang. Ayan, winter ngayon sa Korea, negative. So, I have my puffer jacket. Pero ngayon dito sa airport, medyo mainit. So, ayan. And, dami kong kwento, diba? But yeah. Oh my God, it's finally here. There may be a lot of long-distance relationships being posted in the internet. Noon, hindi ko na-appreciate yung mga yun. But, you know, LDR is not for the weak. Ayan. Siguro hindi ko nakakwento sa mga friends ko, ganun. But, yeah. It's not easy to be in a long-distance relationship. To have this day, to be able to finally see him is such a big deal and so special to me. So, it's finally happening. We're spending our Christmas together and, yeah. What more could I wish for, diba? Sana nakaka-inspire yung story ko, no? But yeah. Also, kaya ako tingin ng tingin doon is because, ayan. Ayan siya. Ito yung view ko dito sa waiting area or dito sa gate. You see? Ayan. But, yeah. Also, guys, yung itsura ko dito sa camera pack, ganon. So, I have set yung wala lang, magkukwento lang ako ng kung ano-ano kasi wala akong makausap dito. Wala akong kasama. It's my first out of the country flight alone. And it's my second out of the country trip. Pero alone, first time talaga. And kanina, nung nag-aabot ako sa immigration, nanginginig ako kasi before me, pero hindi naman dun sa linya ko, dun sa kabilang linya. May parang, I don't know if na-offload siya or, but she had to go into to the office. Tapos parang, oh my gosh, huwag naman sana ako mapagkamalang may masamang balak or what. But yeah, or siguro meron talagang yun lang. Ang chismosa ko, no? Hindi na lang, nag-explore muna ako. I totally forgot about exchanging money. Pero okay lang naman kung sakaling nakalimutan ko kasi meron pa sa Korea. Yun nga lang, baka makalimutan ko ulit. So, dito na ako magpapalit. Hindi pa open yung ating foreign exchange stall na may Korean won. Dito muna tayo sa food market. Ayan. Kasi bibili tayo ng water. Good afternoon.
Can I package, please? Package with a.
Ayan, palipat-lipat tayo ng pwesto. Tapos itong jacket ko, hindi ko alam kung susuotin ko o aalisin ko kasi pag inalis ko siya, parang nilalamigan ako sa aircon. Pero pag suot ko siya, sobrang init. So, aalisin ko ulit siya. Update, hindi pa ako nakapag-exchange ng peso to Korean won kasi yung una kong pinayilahan, naubusan daw sila ng Korean won. And then, yung kabila naman, kasi tinanong ko kung meron silang ibang foreign exchange na kiosk or stall dito, which is yung andun. Hindi pa daw sila open. So, mag-aantay muna ako. Sabi nila 40 minutes. So, let's wait. And, I don't know, hindi ako makapag-explore kasi mabigat talaga to. Yan. So, siguro mag-iPad muna ako or something. Then, I'm going to wait for the foreign exchange stall doon. Meron naman daw silang Korean won. Yun nga lang, hindi pa sila open. So, antayin ko silang
Afternoon for the information of all departing passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight ER468A bound for Incheon. We will be serving complimentary hot meals and refreshments through gate number 2. To avail of our complimentary meals, kindly form a single line and present your boarding pass to our ground staffs here at gate number 2. Thank you.
Ayan. Hi guys, andito na ako sa gate 2. So, they change our gate siguro. Or mali lang yung nasabi sa akin kanina. But yeah, naka-print na mismo yung flight number dun sa entrance nitong gate. So, sure na tayo na dito tayo magbo-boarding. So, yun lang yung update ko. Time check, it's now 4:27 PM. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa. May 2 hours pa ako. And, yeah. Hindi na ako nagpa-change ng peso to Korean won. Kasi, wala pa talagang, hindi pa open yung stall. But let's see, baka sipagin ako mamaya. Pag sisipagin ako mamaya, then punta tayo. Pero, di kasi ako sure kung pwede directly yung peso to Korean won. I've read somewhere sa Facebook may nagpost na dapat peso to USD, tapos Korean won. And pag ganun kasi, madaming loss. So, yun. Baka try ko mamaya kung sipagin ako. Pero 2 hours na lang kasi. Ayan. Medyo mahaba pa naman yung 2 hours. Pero, ayokong nagra-rush. So, let's see. Baka 5 pumunta ako dun sa foreign exchange. Mahirap, guys, mag-travel mag-isa. Lalo na pag, ayan, may gamit ka, ganyan, may hand carry ka. Hindi mo siya pwedeng iwan. So, medyo nahihirapan ako to move around the airport. So, hindi naman ganito nung nag-Hong Kong kami kasi syempre pwede iwan sa bahay bahay pala, sa mama ko, ayan, sa parents ko, then pwede kami gumala. Pero, yan, this is my adventure, traveling alone.
To avail our complimentary meals, kindly form a single line and present your boarding pass to our ground here at gate number 7. Thank you.
7? Incheon? PR 468. Oh.
Ma'am, beef sausage or chicken?
Chicken na lang.
Beef sausage or chicken?
Thank you. Thank you po. Ay, bakit Ganun ba? Thank you. So, delayed yung flight, pero at least, di ba? Meron silang complimentary hot meal, I guess. Time is 5:18 and andyan na yung airplane na iboboardan namin. Pero bumalik ako ulit sa foreign exchange kasi na-realize ko ayoko na talaga magpa-change pa dun sa airport. So, sinipag tayo. And ayun, pa-sunset na guys. I don't know if you see it. Pero ayan, mabagal lang yung pag-zoom. Pero sunset na sa airport. Ayan, and wala naman masyadong pila dito sa foreign exchange. Ay! Hindi ko sure kung dalawa yung counter nila. Pero mukhang isa lang. Balik tayo doon. Yan. I think yun na yung either yan, yung nandyan, yung iboboard namin or yung isa. Pero may dalawa ng sa nakatapat sa gate na Philippine Airlines. Yan, let's go back to our gate. I'm all set. Ayan, meron na akong Korean won. And nakakain na ako. Yan, merong meal yung airline. So, pwede ko na sabihin kung anong airline yun. So, ayan, gate 2. Ayun yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, official na siya dito sa gate 2. Just arrived, just got my bag. And yung isa, nasira. But yeah, just got my bag and I'm about to meet Jared.
Yeah, make it happen.
You're so tall. Oh my god.
I told you I'd make it happen.
Yeah, hello. Hi, Charlotte.
Make it happen.
Say hi. You just gave me a teddy bouquet. So cute.
Anything for you.
Our soul love story. Just kidding. It doesn't end in soul, right?
No.
Yeah. So, my first time in Seoul, it's like...
Well, technically we're in Incheon, which is on the outskirts of Seoul.
First time in South Korea, and it feels like walking to a literal refrigerator or a freezer.
Get used to it. We're in the northern hemisphere now.
Yeah, and one Korean guy, he was just like cool about it. He was wearing shorts and shirt, and he was like, "Oh, he's fine.
Yeah.
He's used to it."
Yeah, you guys see when I do PT in the morning, I wear shorts and short sleeve and run.
Oh my god, I could not.
Yeah.
I feel like my insides, my blood would freeze. Yeah. We're here at the hotel and they were kind enough to just let us in. Yan, may card na kami. Ganon.